آقای دکتر جو واینتری در کتاب محدودیت صفر پاکسازی با کمک 4 کلمه جادی رو معرفی میکنن. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Please forgive us. As I speak, I'm going to ask the white Americans in the room to please repeat after me. On behalf of myself and on behalf of my country, to you and all African Americans, from the beginning of our nation's history, in honor of your ancestors and on behalf of your children, please hear this from my heart. I apologize. Please forgive us. With this prayer, I acknowledge the depth of the evils that have been perpetrated against Black people in America. From slavery to lynchings to white supremacist laws to the denial of voting rights, to all the ways, both large and small, all of them evil, all of them wrong, for all the oppression and all of the injustices. I apologize. Please forgive us.
الان زمان پاکسازیه. پس ما ایرانیان نیز از طرف خودمون و نیاکانمون از تمام ملتها و ادیان دنیا عذرخواهی میکنیم. ما رو ببخشید. و از ملتها و مذاهب دیگه دعوت میکنیم که به چرخه پاکسازی بپیوندن.